Hey guys, Arnell Solomon here, aka Fantastic Arnell. For those of you who know me on social media, that would be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. Anyway, I'm on here because I have a special announcement to make, and that is I've launched this amazing community called YouLaunched. That's right, YouLaunched. What it's about? It's a community for people who are wanting to add to their 9 to 5 another income stream so that they can reach financial freedom or independence, to have more choices in their life. Basically, to have the life or live the life of their dream by being able to travel more, being able to see places, being able to purchase whatever it is that you're wanting to purchase, or to more importantly, to experience life on your terms. It's also for those of you who've already decided you want to run a business, you want to launch a business, you want to start a business, but you don't know quite what to start. But you've seen that people are now able or are taking advantage of the internet and taking advantage of this amazing world that we live in now, this digital world, and making a ton of money. Also, it's for people like you who've already figured out what they want to do but don't quite know where to start. So this is a community site. It's a free community site to support, uplift you, motivate you, and get you from ground zero to launch. Hence, it's called YouLaunched. I love that. Don't you love that name? YouLaunched. I am looking for an additional income so that I can have more choices in my life. But more importantly, and actually from the heart, I know that there's a genius in me, and I've been trying to figure it out. And I realized that I'm really, really good at helping people start their business. I'm really good at curating the idea from birth to fruition, from idea to actually creating the identity, the look and feel, to getting your business online and marketing it to people and creating the videos. I love being a content creator, and it really does take advantage of my creativity and what I've learned over the years, 20 years in design, development, UI, UX, QA, as in testing and producing content online and managing content online. So this is a way for me to be in my passion, to be in my alignment, to be this person that I love being, and to give. I wanted to give something that I can feel confident about, because it is a part of me that is on the high level, in alignment. And so I want to share this community site to you. It's free, and I'll provide the link below this video. And I just really want to support this community of people, of like-minded people who want more out of life than having to go to a job from 9 to 5. Who want to be able to see the world, have more choices, more freedom to spend time with their family and friends and loved ones. So I hope you can join me in this community that is going to be phenomenal in uplifting like-minded people like you and I, who are interested in creating something from scratch and succeeding in it and being able to live the life of our dreams. So without further ado, come check it out. It's called YouLaunched. It's on a community platform called School. There's some amazing, amazing people on that platform. So go check it out. And I love you guys. Hope to see you on the other side. Take care. Have an amazing rest of the week or weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.